Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Mendez, and we're here with another awesome testimonial with Fri AM. So what we're going to do is just talk about what life was like for you, Fri AM, before getting adjusted and under care, and now what's life like now for you? What's changed?
A lot has changed emotionally, spiritually, and also physically. I'm very grateful that I found out about Bergman protocol and coming here, and I'm grateful for having you to do the adjustments. You're an awesome doctor and amazing, and you did great, and I really thank you and owe it to you. All the healing process that I've gone through, it's because of you and the right correct adjustment that I've been getting, and you're very dedicated, very focused, and listen and have compassion, and just very focus on doing what you need to. You know what you're doing is basically it. I had a lot of neck problem. I continuously had to do all these weird poses in front of people driving. Wow. And now after all these adjustments and also doing the exercises and the pump,
Posh pump.
Yeah, it helped a lot, and I feel much better. The pain is completely gone. I can sleep better at night.
Oh, amazing.
And the sleep is better. And as far as I feel taller.
Oh, cool. That's always good.
And as far as the digestive problem,
yeah, you had a lot of acid reflux, right?
Acid is much better. I don't feel that burning sensation
wow.
that much, and hiatal hernia is also better, and that is without doing the exercises to push it down. Even I haven't even attempted to do that, but I feel much better. I'm on the right path, and I'm sure that everything else is just going to fall into place. But so far, tremendous results. And
oh, wonderful.
Hopefully, I keep the maintenance and I listen more and do exactly what you guys want me to do, and I will get better results. And on. Now I'm leaving my daughter in your hands. That's how much I trust you, and how much I'm happy with what you have done, that I don't want my daughter to basically go anywhere else but just to be in your care, and you would treat her the same way.
Wonderful.
Hopefully I will have the opportunity to have a lot of people that need help to refer them to come here, because they would get the same results, better maybe, than I did. If they listen more, I need to be a little bit more, basically, little more good listener, or do what you have to say.
But when we're under stress, it's hard. You know, there's so many worries and anxiety and pain and issues, and you can only comprehend a certain percentage of what we're trying to say and do.
Exactly.
But as your adjustments progress, your health progresses, and you change and we evolve and you get healthier as we go through the treatment plan. So
the diet is good. The diet needs to be followed. The exercises that you give, really, if you do the exercises, they really help. And the sleep pattern that you emphasize on is something that I still need to work on. My schedule, I need to change it to be able to do that. But all in all, I couldn't be happier than this.
Oh, wonderful. So glad. You're so sweet. Okay. All right.